house I'm living in. Here I'm cleaning my socks and the pants I'm wearing at night. Woolen. This is my lovely garden with a lovely wild grass. I let it grow so that I can watch something unfold as if being in the wild. You know, you don't see wild grass that often in Switzerland. What it looks like when you don't do anything. So I know a frog is living there. And this fireplace too. So then, this is my workspace in here. All and everything I own is on this table. I don't own too much more. I got a few things up in the bathroom and actually a lot of supplements and herbs and a few other ingredients I can put into yogurt and stuff in the kitchen. But otherwise, that's my working space. So I write down whatever I gotta do in the future. This is my little office, like with a passport. Here is like extra dental floss, and this is, the extra I'm not having up in the bathroom. And then that's my real good jacket. That's my microphone. I'm doing audio recordings with that one. That's the real nice view I have from here. And then, that's my clothes. Then that's my socks. My underwear. My gloves and stuff. That's my Edelweissli. That's like my art corner right here. So the Edelweissli, that's what I produced. It's laminated petals and leaves. And that's like leftover of my art. I've given a lot away to the Swiss Film Archive, and now what is left is just like an old documentary. The leftovers of a slideshow, the leftovers of I've given a lot away to archive.org as well. I upload it onto the internet. So what is left is a tarot deck that I have constructed out of several bought ones. That one I don't really know where to put it. It's all in here. And in this box there's just photos and cutouts and kind of like small drawings I made, plans. A ticket. A few different things. These are when I move. I will take the carpet with me because the carpet is my bed. It's two carpets. Two woolen carpets on top of each other. And that one is real comfortable and warm. And because I used to have that grey thing here, the top grey thing, as a curtain, now I'm having it here because it's getting cold. So during daytime, when I really need to work, I have to think of something that makes the room a bit dark, because otherwise I don't see too much on my computer. So this is the kitchen. I'm again throwing away stuff. As I do, I really am a thrower away of stuff. There is nothing in my fridge. I have the stuff usually here on the window shelf. I went and bought some bifidus milk yogurt drink, and that one was on here until this morning, and this morning I had it. So all of these are my remedies, the supplements I take. Not like every day, because I'm kind of not really loving, to take them out and to swallow these amounts of pills. That's my most favorite food at the moment. Besides broccoli, I just put in all the herbs that I have. And when I have yogurt, I have these things: coconut flour and xylitol for sweetness, and collagen, and mannose and galactose, because it's a health issue why I the only kitchen tools I got. Everything else in here is empty because I thought, when I cannot look at things and they're hidden in cupboards, it feels like kind of not being okay or right or not really. Yeah, it's not my style. I never did like cupboards. Also, within the cupboards, the things get kind of dirty. But outside, when there is dust settling on my kitchen tools, I just rinse them before I use them. I always see it a few seconds before I use them. Because of that, they're always clean when I use them. So, down there is my celery. Hello, celery. There's just the heating system down there that I'm not using during winter times. Here it gets 8 degrees Celsius during winters, and I'm not using the heating. And also my bike is down there. I tend to close the doors as I just did. I love it because I'm all alone here. I can do whatever I want. So here I go check, is there a cat around? Because right there is some cat food. And here too. Here and here. And that one was yogurt. The fox likes yogurt and the dagger. Now I'm doing that real silent because I actually go like this. I promise I will never ever do this again in a house tour, but showing you once is necessary. So these are my clothes. I would just grab whatever I feel like when I leave the house. These are the ones that I have already worn. And here something is waiting for me if I take a shower. I have never worn those. It's clean clothes. Again, some nice view I have here. That's the wall that's coming. From time to time some boulders are coming. That's my bathtub, and I do alkaline baths a lot. This bucket here is for cleaning clothes. I would just soak them for a night and then rinse them, and that's it. That's my detergents for the washing of the clothes, and these things I just do need like every day. I keep the window open because out there it's really dry air, and in here this whole room should stay dry, so that's why I do so. With these I also clean the windows. These sanitary pads are real good to clean the windows. I go over the window because I like clean windows. I go over the windows with some wet cloth, and then I just dry the windows with these, and by that they get real nice. It's the quickest way to do it. So that's the vinegar I'm also using, but it also functions as a door stopper. Yeah, and I'm using olive oil soap, and that's it. For hair and for skin. And if I get pimples or a kind of skin condition, then I treat it with vinegar. And otherwise I'm just using this oil here. It's got resinous oil in it and jojoba. I put it in here, and hyaluronic acid. I should buy another brush though, because brushing my hair would do me a great deal better. So here again we got some kind of a view. I'm not seeing this view too often. I'm not using this second toilet right here. And as you can see, there is no plastic on the toilet, so I sit on this kind of, it feels uncomfortable at the beginning, but when I kind of think of it, I'm not sitting on plastic like this, which is much better. So I'm sitting on ceramic. So this room is empty. I used to have all my clothes in here, so it was a closet. What women lust for. I'm just abandoning like this. It's easier to have not so many clothes. This one was full. And here I had hangers on hooks. There were like at the beginning at least 10 hooks, and then it got to be just 7 hooks, and in the end I took the hooks down and everything was in the shelves, and then I thought, yeah, I don't need so many extra shoes and extra raincoats and extra plastic winter clothes that make me sweat. Just let's throw them all away. And this room has always been empty. It's when I have guests they can sleep here. And otherwise it's a room where I make videos or record audio. That's it. For a long time I had a vacuum cleaner right there around the corner. But now that I'm not using a vacuum cleaner anymore, I'm just going for that one. The vacuum cleaner is gone. This floor I clean with a wet cloth. These 2 floors I would clean with that red thing. And this floor here I would clean with a wet cloth as well. And then the stairs I would clean with a wet cloth from time to time as well. And the other floors down here as well, I want them to be clean. So I use wet cloths whenever I'm throwing away wet or the stuff from here, the kitchen, these ones. I use them for the floor then. Cool. So this is my bag. Everything I take with me when I leave the house is in there, and this is my waterproof bag. With that one I can go down rivers. So I would go somewhere in Zurich, and when I want to go down to a place where I could sit all day and buy drinks and coffee, warm coffee, I would just jump into the river with everything in there and get off the river a few miles down. That's how I did it once this summer. Yeah. And otherwise when I walk uphill I'm sweating a lot, so all my stuff stays dry. And I'm also out when it's raining, so if I had my normal backpack with me, that one would get wet and not really get dry until the next next days. So this was my little house tour. This is my Ethernet. So it is a new internet station, but it is not with Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is not on this one. Yeah, so that's it.